How do I replace the XY platform air intake filter on the Luminex 200 instrument?
Let's take a look at the procedure for replacing the air filter on the XY platform. This procedure is part of the semi-annual maintenance routine.
Why should I replace the air intake filter on the XY platform?
The air intake filter keeps dust and large particles out of the XY platform. Replacement filters can be purchased from Luminex.
Here's how to replace the XY platform air intake filter.
Turn off the power switch on the rear of the XY platform and unplug the power cord. Gently remove the screen from the XY platform filter and set it aside. The screws do not need to be removed. Replace the air filter. Reattach the screen. Plug in and power on the Luminex 200 XY platform.
And finally, remember,
the intake air filter keeps the XY platform dust-free. Because of the buildup of debris, the filter must be replaced every 6 months.